Hi, gonna unbox my Apple iPhone SE. It's paste gray, and I already took off the cellophane wrap that was covered with it, and it's not unlocked. It's from Straight Talk. I bought this from Walmart. It was 149 something. So here we go. Ta-da! So cute, right? This is gonna be my second iPhone. My first one was iPhone 4. Had that in 2015, I think. So cute and so small, so tiny. So this is it, guys. Oh, actually no, it's not it. I think you have some other stuff inside, like the charger and stuff. You guys want to see it? Let's see. Oh, nice. So what does it say? Designed by Apple in California. Thanks, Steve Jobs. Apple is my favorite phone of all time. Look at that. My earphones, my charger. So this is my unwrapping. Thank you. Take care. Kisses. Love you. Bye.